I think they all went to RuPaul Drag Race to learn all this. She's like,
no, she looks like she's sweeping the floor. She's sweeping the floor for Catriona Gray. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
and Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're probably gonna be watching the top
14.
the top 10 best national costume says we don't know online. So I don't think this is a reliable source because this is not Mega Magazine, this is not Vogue Magazine. This is just a simple blogger online by the name Pipe Vlogs. He uploaded this video and we're using his video, so just giving a credit to him, and we will link his video down below.
I'm very curious because Kat pulled out an amazing costume. We know the history about it, behind it. We know all about it. And now I'm curious to see the other contestants. Contestants.
Because it's a contest.
Contestants. See, I cannot see it.
Disclaimer, we are a huge Miss Universe Philippines fan. There's a lot of S's. Miss Universe Philippines fan. We love Catriona Gray. We are rooting for her, and we believe, because of me, I'm Filipino, I forced him as well. We believe that she's gonna snatch the crown this year.
Yes.
We're so excited. So before we begin, you guys know the drill. Please subscribe. Click here.
Please,
the red
help
button.
us.
Click here. The red button.
We're so close to 100,000
We're so
subscribers.
close to
Please help us.
Follow us on all our social media, link down below. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything. Without further ado,
Let's get right into it.
let's get right into the video because I'm excited. So wait, I know already that my top 3 favorites are, or top 4. Let's do top 4. Miss Philippines, obviously.
Yes.
South Africa, Puerto Rico, and Mexico. Those are my top 4. I don't know the fifth one. You can give it
I
to
think
Brazil.
mine are, well, Philippines, and then Mexico, and then Puerto Rico. And
Oh, you don't like
that's-
South Africa?
I didn't. And then Miss Italy, which is not even listed. I'm rooting for you.
Because he's Italian. That's the only reason why. But Italy are never in the top 15. Let it go. It's okay.
We'll see.
Let it go. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the
Your
video.
is improving.
Is it?
Miracle.
Panama!
Brazil. Oh, Panama?
Panama, bitch. Can you read?
Oh
my
my
gosh.
god, that's a beautiful costume.
Panama!
She's like a feathery flower. That's what I wanted to say. Feathery
She's
flower.
a peacock.
Wow, she's
that's
beautiful.
colorful.
It looks like an orchid, but with feathers.
See, I wish Catriona Gray was like this. Like,
Oh my
I
god.
wish she could carry the parole. Oh, look how pretty she
Wow.
is.
The blue and the green. I love the blue and the green together. It
Come
looks
through, feather
beautiful.
duster.
Who's this one?
Peru.
Peru.
It did say Peru in the beginning.
Oh,
Peru is beautiful.
Peru is nice. She was wearing a curtain shower. Shower.
Ah!
Reveal.
No, she's wearing hula hoops. She
Yeah,
could twirl
that's
that
true.
thing around. Yeah. Oh, I told you. What did I?
Oh, mermaid. Wow, this was good. Oh, she's not done.
She has a harp. I wonder what's the explanation. Mermaids?
Oh wow, she definitely didn't go to school to play the harp.
She has a lot of reveals in this costume. That was like 3 reveals.
Wow, I love it. That was the most creative so far. Sailor Moon.
Japan, of course.
She's wearing Sailor Moon.
It's their culture, anime. Yes!
Oh,
She's so cute.
I'm sorry, I don't like it.
It's their culture though, it's their anime
Yeah, that's-
culture. It's cute. But I feel like she looks like she's just joining a Comic-Con convention.
I know,
or
that's why
something.
I'm saying that.
But-
And she's like, cue to leave? Are you gonna give me the cue? Oh,
She's waiting.
are you give me the Oh,
There we go.
she's got some attitude though, I
Top
like
8.
it. US, isn't it?
Puerto Rico!
Oh.
I'm so curious now what's the explanation behind all this.
What are these
costume.
hands? Oh, there's fear.
Oh, I know what they are. They are fortune tellers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh,
I don't know.
I believed you. What are those hands with the things dripping from them? That I don't understand. Wow.
Ecuador.
Oh, she's
Where
a
that-
hummingbird. A beautiful hummingbird.
Isn't that what Ecuador is known for?
Wow.
Bitch, talk to me. I'm talking to you.
I don't know. Who am I? National Geographic? I
You're
don't know.
so mesmerized to this.
Yes,
Like-
I'm loving it.
Oh my gosh.
I think they
You know we
learn.
can
They
pause.
oh.
Oh, she's coming back. She's like,
She's
I'm
like,
not done
not
yet,
done.
bitch. I'm not done yet. I'm coming back.
I think they all went to RuPaul Drag Race to learn all this. She's like,
No, she looks like she's sweeping the floor. She's sweeping the floor for Catriona Gray. She's cleaning the floor for Catriona. Oh, don't
no,
kill
she's
me.
beautiful.
Yes.
Wow.
Who's this? Mexico. Let's see Mexico. She's one of my top 4. Remember that top 4, Mexico.
Oh wow. It is a beautiful.
See, I just wish that Catriona had no wheels so that she could carry the paddle, but I guess it was too heavy. They were sliding.
Oh my goodness,
Damn,
guys!
these countries don't come to play.
This year. Look at
Oh.
the back of it. It's so.
I
great.
studied the Mexico history in school, so I kind of know the history where this is coming from.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Don't ask me though. Anyway, these countries did not come to play this year. They came to slay,
They are ready.
bitch.
They are so ready.
She looks so pretty.
Look at the
too.
back too. How gorgeous, detailed.
Let's see. Thailand.
Oh my god, an elephant.
Oh my god, Thailand. A white albino elephant.
Wow.
Of course, they had to include
But lift the thing though
yeah,
from your
because
face.
the face can't be seen. Right?
Maybe she's gonna pull something. Is gonna lift up. Watch
There's a
it.
reveal. There's a reveal.
I know. Oh no, it's just like sad.
Imagine if this is a Victoria's Secret angel wings. Oh, the gown is beautiful though.
Oh.
Thai people always know how to dress up.
Yeah, I just wish that was like.
Oh, India is in it. Oh, this is like Catriona Gray. Does she have wheels?
Oh my gosh, she's carrying a.
She's just
throne.
carrying it. It's probably so heavy.
She's carrying it. It is heavy.
Oh, look at India. India is beautiful. Oh my god.
Wow.
See, she has a chair. Imagine one of the judges would sit on it.
I think-
she had to carry the judges.
That's where she carried her.
Oh,
kids.
see, I wish that Catriona did that. Oh, now she's sitting on it.
What is
She's
she
the
doing?
one sitting on it.
What is that? A sword?
She's also a warrior.
Oh wow, she is. Yeah, she's laying.
She's actually pretty.
Look at those pants. How beautiful to do yoga.
She's pretty.
Oh,
Wow.
dancer. And then she's sitting.
She's pretty. Oh my god.
Wow.
I just wish that
Number 3.
China, Korea, Indonesia.
But why her arms are so unengaged? Okay, there we go. Now she's coming alive.
India's still struggling with her costume.
Who is this one?
Didn't say.
Oh,
There we go, Indonesia, I told you.
Nice.
What is it?
I like this
What,
white
what is it
feathers.
inspired? Animal, birds?
It's like a bird that got run over by a car, so he has very few feathers.
Oh, she's doing the dance too, like Catriona.
Very cute.
Yeah,
I like
queen.
it. Oh,
You're pretty
graceful.
queen.
I love the headpiece. It looks like kind of like a phoenix.
Yes, maybe that. Well,
I don't know. No.
But how?
Reveal.
oh my gosh,
came so
they came
creative.
to. Oh my gosh, Brazil!
We
Of
can't
course.
stop. We're so
Of course.
incredibly amused by this.
I predicted it. Brazil's carnival. Oh my god, look at that.
It's amazing. It reminds a little bit the Catriona Gray for the pattern. She opened the wings.
It's way
Look,
different.
look, look. She opened the wings.
Oh my god, these are so innovative. Now she's a transformer. She technically transformed into a bird. Oh my god, those pom-poms remind me of beauty blenders though. El Salvador. Oh wow!
No,
my
guys,
gosh!
Where these two dust the entire house?
feather duster.
Oh my god, in one twirl, you're done.
She's like, I'm giving you all a lifetime supply of feather duster to clean your houses. Oh my god.
If they blow some wind, she's gonna take off.
She's gonna fly away.
She's like, oh, did you fly here? Oh, no, I just came with my costume. Bye, guys!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot of feather duster.
I did not expect all this.
I didn't expect
I
it
have to
either.
say, I really
I didn't expect it either.
And I have to say, now I'm scared.
Well, okay, that's my question though. Like, how much percentage is the national costume?
Yeah.
It's probably not a big weight on it, but I don't know.
What is it based on? Because a costume can be beautifully executed, but not represent really the country. So what is it based on?
I don't think that matters anymore at this point. It's just like, it's just a matter of, the question is, how much is the national costume really percentage-wise?
I don't know.
For the entire competition.
But where was Catriona in all this?
I guess I don't think she was included in this top 10 that this guy created.
I have to say these costumes were stunning.
You guys don't hate us. You guys can agree as well. These costumes are beyond. Like, the guys
They
went
really are beyond.
overboard. They went beyond mountains and rivers for this.
Yeah.
But although Catriona did say as well in the interview that her team went beyond as well, but my gosh, I'm just a little bit scared now because
we
look at
love
all
Catriona's
this.
great costume because you saw it.
And
It's
we love
beautiful.
the meaning of it, the history, yeah.
The meaning behind it is so touching and so beautiful. But now I'm very curious to see what's the meaning behind all these
the
ones.
the visual representation.
Yeah.
And like, look at Brazil transforming into a bird on the spot.
On the spot. I have to say I was very surprised also with Peru. Wow, this competition is going way beyond what I was expecting. Nice, I love it.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We really enjoyed that. We're just stay tuned for the final evening competition.
We're super thrilled by it.
But we're still rooting for Catriona Gray, obviously.
Of course. So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment down below and like this video so that we can reach 100,000 before the end of the year. That will be our dream.
Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And let's all pray for Catriona Gray.
Oh yes, Queen.
The queen. She deserves to win.
We bow
I feel
to
like
you.
she worked hard for it. She deserved to win.
She totally does.
Anyway, thank you so
you
much
guys.
for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Bye.